Hey everyone, welcome to Online Health Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on age restriction on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Profile option. Now tap on Edit Profile. In order to turn on age restriction, you have to be below 18 years old. So to do that, just tap on Date of Birth option. Tap on your date of birth once again. And then tap on the Edit button. Now change your date of birth. Once you're done, tap on the Continue button at the top right corner of your screen. And tap on the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. And if you are sure, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can turn on age restriction on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Health Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.